Have you ever wondered how the pros or advanced drivers do this or this? How do you maneuver a car on a bank track? The key word for this video is commitment. There's little room for error when you drive on a bank. Driving on a bank feels unnatural and puts load on a car's steering and chassis. The sensation makes the steering feel heavy and the car feels like it's on edge. Therefore, instinctually, you would want to lift off throttle or slow down to get the car off the bank safely. In addition, when you drive high on the bank, the track surface has little grip because there are tire marbles on the higher areas of the bank. Plus, not that many drivers drive high on the bank, so therefore there won't be a lot of tire rubber on the upper area of the bank. Like I said previously, your natural instinct is to lift when you drive high on a bank. Lifting on a bank can cause you to total your car or injure yourself. Why though? Why would slowing down or hesitating cause you to crash on a bank? You would think that your car will roll back down the bank if you lift. But what really happens is the front end of your car will try to rise up the bank, thus causing you to crash. This issue can cause you to run up the bank a little quicker than you would want and send your car into the wall nose first, and then the rear will hit the wall as well. Now that you know what the issue is, what is the solution? How can you drift the bank like the Formula Drift drivers do? When in doubt, throttle out. To drift the bank, you have to use your throttle to steer the car around the bank. Furthermore, when you enter a bank corner, you have to set the car at your desired angle and put the pedal to the metal to guide the car through the corner, aka set it and forget it. In this clip, I went high on the bank and I felt the rear of the car go higher up on the bank faster than I wanted. This is because the upper area of the bank had no grip and a lot of tire debris. So I lifted and immediately the front end of my car rose up the bank. When I realized that the front end was going up the bank, I rid myself of my fear and I laid into the throttle. As you can see, the car settled and we drove off the bank. Just like everything in life, commitment is key. You have to be on throttle, your steering inputs and your angle has to be steady going around a bank corner. This will minimize the chance of you crashing and being able to do the entire course or track with style.